Morning! And Happy New Year. It seems like ages since I've been out. Well, not necessarily on a bike, but certainly with cameras. I hadn't realised how important that was over Christmas. The rare few spins I did have out and I didn't take cameras. It really, well, taught me why I ride bikes again rather than going out just to make the videos, you know. So thoroughly enjoyed it. But of course, I enjoy this more. Great to be back in touch with you again. I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas. It feels like ages ago now, doesn't it? As you can see, we're well and truly into the new year. I'm saying as you can see, it's because I'm living in Ireland and we have a bit of sunshine, which is always great to start the new year with a splattering of this, or as Billy Connolly used to say, a clattering of sunshine. And yeah, it's just great to be back. By the time you see this video going out, I suspect I've already been to Spain on my little trip where I'm renting an Aprilia. Hopefully, if it all works out well. I'm having very little communication from the bike hire company, but sure, like I say, by the time you've seen this video, all shall be revealed with the Spanish trip. So I hope that all works well. I'm heading off there the day after tomorrow. First of all, I have to say massive thank you to all of you, all 20,000 of you. Can you believe that I got the notification on Christmas Day? I was doing the cooking. I was well aware that the channel was about to turn over 20,000 subscribers, and my daughter came in. She says, "Dad," and this is Libby, my daughter, who was doing all the social media for me back in the summer before she went off to college in Galway. So she came in, she says, "Dad, I think you should check your phone." "Why?" says I. "Who's ringing me on Christmas Day?" "No," she said, "just go onto the YouTube studio app." So I did. Just turned over 20,000 subscribers. Well, I tell you what, we were already having a fantastic Christmas Day, and I always say, you know, I'm at my happiest when my family are around me. I have 4 kids and a beautiful wife, and again, a clattering of animals. And we were all there, we were all at home, and then my daughter came in to tell me that the channel had just turned over 20,000 subscribers. It was, let's just say, it put the gloss on an already fabulous Christmas Day. So yeah, thank you so much to all of you for the support, the comments, the guidance. Actually, you know, when I do reach out and say, "What do you want? More of this, more of that? What's your thoughts on this?" And of course, an even special thank you to my Patreons, the Wheelie faithful. They've been privy to being behind the scenes on the run up to the 20,000, and I think it's no secret that was certainly a milestone. I've really been trying, well, for 5 years actually, since I started this YouTube malarkey. The 20,000 was the number I wanted to hit. Wasn't ever sure if I would ever hit it. So 5 years on, well, actually we're now into my 6th year of YouTubing. To hit that is pretty special. So my wife, bless her, she says, "So what do you get, like, you know, for hitting the 20,000? I didn't know if she'd heard about the gold discs or the silver discs being dished out by YouTube, or even a nice big fat check. I said, "Well, nothing. It's just, you know, lovely to know that 20,000 people are sort of subscribed to the channel." "All right, yeah, great." She said, "Did you do the gravy?" So whilst it means so much to me, I know and I understand it might not mean as much to everybody else, but thank you for being here. Right, today onwards, first of all, I'm going to say I'm not going to tell you what I've got planned for the year, because last year was an absolute disaster because of my work schedule. So I'd sort of teased and promised all sorts, and indeed I had so many things booked which I then had to unbook. So I'm not going to do that this year. The Spain thing is the only thing I'm going to be teasing you about, because that looks like it's definitely going to be happening. But one thing which I am going to tell you about, which is very exciting, is that any day now, hopefully, or let's be fair, any week now, I'm going to have my website launched. I won't even tell you the name of it yet. But there's some really, really great things happening on the website. And of course, it'll be the hub for everything coming up. And not just merch, where you can buy stuff, and the Film Academy, where I'm doing lessons as well. But you know, a little bit more behind the scenes of me and my bikes. And listen, I'm not going to spoil it. Well, of course, they'll be the first to know when it is launched. So that's the exciting stuff. We're just finishing off. It's quite a big process building a website. Obviously, I can't do it myself. So there's other people involved, another company involved, who've just been absolutely incredible and totally get what I want. Oh, I should have gone too busy talking. I think I should have gone left there. Yep. That was me country bugger Irish accent coming out. Did you see that? I think I should have gone left there. I'm heading to Four Abbey, by the way. You know that place which is really spiritual. I've been here a dose of times on my... I was going to say on my website. No, I haven't. Get the website out of your head for now, Dave. On the channel. I just love coming out here, and there's something special about this time of year, especially since there's very few people on the road as well. I doubt everybody's back to work yet, but it's just lovely coming out here. I take so much from it. I think it's a 12th or 13th century abbey. You'll know it when you see it if you've been following the channel for a while. And the other thing I need to tell you about is that... Oh, look at that. What was that? Just a crow. Normally the buzzards are flying out. Have you noticed the massive increase in buzzards wherever you live? Or is it just here in Ireland? They're nearly commonplace more than crows now. Certainly more than kestrels, by the way. Hardly ever see a kestrel. Apparently, rumour has it, buzzards have scared kestrels off. Buzzards, actually, well, at one stage, kestrels were the only birds of prey which could hover. And buzzards copied the kestrel's habitat in order to, well, learn how they hunt. And they've, because they're bigger birds, and I presume if they're bigger, they're better with attack, they started moving kestrels on. Off you go, this is my hunting ground, I'm bigger than you. I can dive quicker, whatever. Yeah, what was I saying? This always happens to me, doesn't it, getting sidetracked. Coming up on the channel is that I've nearly owned this bike for a year. In fact, at the time of recording this video, I'll have owned this bike for a year next week. So I will be doing my 12-month review, what I have learnt and what I like and what I don't like. I'm not going to spoil anything, so that video will be coming soon. You might also notice I'm wearing this LEATT helmet. I've put a good few miles on this now, over the Christmas and New Year break. Have to say, I bought this with my own money. Just get that in first. I think I said that on the video I'm putting together about it as well. But I'm absolutely loving it. And this photochromic visor on a day like this now, as you can see, just show you now, I'm still wearing my just check there's nobody coming there. Still wearing my sunglasses, because the photochromic visor isn't instead of sunglasses. Certainly not when you're riding in the bright sunshine like this. It's only just to take it down. It's like an ND filter for your camera, which segues lovely into me saying how much I'm loving the Osmo Action 6. Just a quick little techie bit, alright, for you people who are following for the camera stuff. I'm wondering what I'm using on my first ride out of this year. I'm still using the Osmo Action 6, even though it was boxed up before Christmas, ready to go back. I thought I'd hang on, wait for the updates, and just play with it a little bit more. So the biggest thing I'm keeping it for is because as soon as you turn it on, it connects to the Mic3 instantly, which is what I'm currently using still inside the helmet. Or with no wires attached, so I have a fully waterproof system. I've been out a few times vlogging before Christmas. I hope you've seen them vlogs where I have been caught out in the rain, but it hasn't mattered because I am using this wireless system, which is just brilliant. Loving that. And I'm shooting everything in D-Log M and just dropping the DJI color LUT from their website straight onto the picture, tweaking it a tiny bit, not much, but it's so much easier. I was experimenting with the burnt in filters, the burnt in color. Oh my god, that was causing me a huge headache, because obviously if you're shooting with burnt in color, you can't get rid of it when you want to. I'm totally going the wrong way here, so I'm just gonna follow my nose. I've still got my heated gloves, which I've been using all winter. And God, they have been a godsend. These are the Ride Iron ones. I did make a video about them. Yes, they were given to me, but I haven't stopped wearing them. I was given these, well, given a pair of these, their earlier version, 2 years ago. I never stopped wearing them, actually, all winter as well. So when these came along with better modifications and longer battery life and better protection, actually, as well, they've just been incredible. I really love them. So I wonder how many of you bought them, actually, and treat yourself to a little Christmas present. I mean, they just work really well and very affordable. So I am very grateful for those. I will be, I might as well reveal it now. I'm a little bit sick of doing the car screen videos, and I'm sure you all are as well, but there is one coming up, which I felt as though I had to do. It's another Aiuchi, and it's the same size screen as this, but they've introduced the cameras, front and rear, which to me was the only thing missing from this system. I had the cameras when I was reviewing the Chigi system, and I just think it's such a valuable tool to have now, like a dash cam, because of all the nutters we encounter on the road. Really, it's sort of going to complete the system for me. I have the system at home, I just haven't had time to make the video or even road test it yet. So I'll be bringing you a video on that. I don't even know the prices of them yet, because obviously I was sent that one as well. But yeah, I'll be bringing you a video fairly soon, I hope. Because I just think the camera's, you know, just such a great addition. I'm sure, like, is it me? But every time I go out, I'm nearly having an accident through no fault of my own, just from somebody else bad driving, either not indicating or on the phone, loads of times, pulling out from junctions onto a motorway, even the M50, the busiest road in Ireland, coming down the slip road onto the M50. On their phones. It's unbelievable, like. Oh, this is just an amazing day. So wonderful to be out. I wonder how many of you have your trips and your tours planned, if you're heading off anywhere soon. Of course, the big one for me this year is the ABR. Not just going to the ABR, but for the first time ever, I'm speaking at it. A little bit nervous, and I put myself out of my comfort zone a couple of times last year, speaking at dues, public speaking, and even emceeing an event, and that was all as part of the build-up towards this event at the ABR. So I'm really looking forward to it, though, at the same time. And the other thing I have to sort of mention really was, I sort of touched on it in my Christmas video when I'd sort of mentioned the health scare I'd had. I just want to, and thanks so much again for all of your messages regarding that, and the support, and yes, touch wood, I'm absolutely fine, and believe me, I had a much better Christmas knowing that I was. But I just wanted to say briefly, you know, if you suspect anything's wrong with you this year, don't be frightened and going to get it checked out. I know I certainly won't be. That peace of mind, that relief, and then of course there's always the other side of things. If it is anything sinister, to catch it early, I mean, your chances are far, far greater when you get these things early. But you know, 9 times out of 10 it's going to be nothing anyway, like mine. So don't be afraid of getting yourself checked, folks. Okay, that's Father Dave talking to you, so we'll leave that one there, but you know what I'm saying. The other thing I wanted to mention as well, just before we arrive at 4 Abbey, is the lads from 44 Teeth actually touched on this over Christmas. YouTube has changed. It would frighten me if I was trying to earn a living full-time from YouTube, put it that way. I'm not too bothered being in my position at the minute. However, saying that, it's still a huge long-term goal and a dream of mine to do this pretty much full-time, or certainly as my main sort of form of income. Anything to do with bikes, if I could convert it into income, I'd be happy. Bikes and making videos, obviously cameras are my thing, but it's strange what's happening with YouTube. It looks like long form content or premium stuff, anything other than what you would normally see on TikTok or Instagram or any of the other things like that. It looks like YouTube are sort of trying out the idea of where you're going to have to pay for that sort of content. Who knows what they've got planned, but I know they've got something planned. So it's probably best not to speculate, really, until we find out what is going on there. But I know I'm not the only YouTuber who's noticed massive changes in viewership and therefore ad revenue, which is where we make our income. This is a lovely town, isn't it? What's this? Oldcastle, I think. Yeah, Oldcastle. Still really quiet. People on the Christmas break. How lovely. Very nice. So yeah, just to let you know what's going on there. The more I know, the more I'll keep you informed. I promise you'll be first to know. So that's why I'm so grateful for those of you who very kindly bought me a coffee on that link, which I normally put at the end of every video. Like, all those little 5s and 10s and 15s and whatever you want to treat me to, basically, it all goes into the motorcycle pot. I don't like to be one of those people who looks for money, but, you know, at the same time, it really does help me keep the show on the road, so to speak. So if you want to become a Patreon, or just buy me a coffee, whatever you want, it's all gratefully received. And if you can't afford to do either of those things, then the very fact you're here watching the videos keeps me happy anyway. I mean, obviously, I wouldn't bother even making the videos if there was no audience. So, get that one out of the way. By God, I am clearing the closet out at the beginning of the year. And on that note, folks, please forgive me for, you know, talking about the gloves and the Auchi screens and anything else, because, you know, those tiny little bits of commission, the 10% that the YouTubers make here and there, 10% on 100 quid, like you know, the tenors that we make from people ordering this through our websites. I mean, it all goes into the big pot, if you like. And you know, with me, I always say 100% what I think of things anyway. It doesn't matter if I've bought it with my own money or whether I've been given it. I'm gonna say it. And that's one thing I've always stood to. So hopefully you don't mind me reviewing stuff like that, because I'm still going to tell the truth. Okay, looking forward to the year ahead now, and looking forward to having you here on the journey with me. Really appreciate you being here. I really do. If you're not a subscriber, you might think about becoming one, because I've got some great stuff to bring you. I'm not going to tease it anymore, okay? Like I say, just in case it doesn't happen, but the stuff I've got planned is... even I'm excited, and it takes a lot to excite me at my age. Alright, have a great week. I shall be back on YouTube next Saturday morning. It's great being able to say that again. And, yeah, see you there, 8 o'clock next Saturday. Dave Perry, Really Good TV.